What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about UNIBOT token at the request of, who is this at the request of? Legit Z. Legit Z, we're doing this for you. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. I don't know too much about UNIBOT. This is actually probably the most that I've looked into it right now. I know that it's a Telegram, like Uniswap token. You're allowed to like trade on Telegram or something, right? $8 million market cap, very, very low. Very, very low, but the volume's nice. I do like the volume. Total supply, okay, cool. That's nice. The following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. I agree. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. I would agree. I would definitely agree. You know, anything with to do with Telegram just automatically gives me the heebie-jeebies. But looking at the chart here, putting our emotions aside, if we look at the weekly RSI, you do have pretty high readings here at the 50, right? When I say pretty high readings, I'm only saying that because these are the highest readings you've ever seen in this thing's history, okay? Being at the 50 here, seeing these high readings that you saw last time before you dropped, it does leave the question open in the air. Are we about to drop? Are we about to plummet and see lower lows? It might not seem obvious that we would do that because we're already at the lows, right? But it's about as obvious here that we would go lower as it was here that we would go lower, right? So just beware, right? We're definitely at the same areas that we saw last time to reject from here. If we look at the daily RSI, we do have a little bit of bearish divergence going on. You know, I want to look at this thing. There's nothing with volume really, is there? CoinExgate, maybe MEXC. Here we go. Yeah, a little bit of volume there. Volume dying off as you're moving higher. That's not good. You probably do sell off. Lower lows in the daily RSI, higher lows in the price. Hey, that is good as long as you you know, you don't get any days to close below like $6.85, $6 and yeah, 85 cents probably. 4 hour looks bad as well. You know, I don't know if I like it. I would stay away from this one, you guys. I might stay away from this one. I feel kind of bad that I'm even giving it its own video. I don't know. It could do really well. I don't think it's gonna. I think it's going down. I think it's got more to go to the downside. That's my personal expectation, my personal opinion. Maybe you are about to shred. Maybe you're about to go all the way up to $22. I don't know. You're at $7.98 right now. If I'm wrong, prove me wrong by getting above $12.80. If you can close any given day, any given week above $12.78, I'll be wrong. But if you close any given day or any given week below $6.70, you're at $7.98 now, I would think I'm right in assuming that you probably will see prices that are lower than $5, potentially even lower than $3.50 over the coming weeks, over the coming days, over the coming months. Yeah. Yep. And that's, I guess, that, man. That's all we got to talk about. So if you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. The 4 hour is bearish. It would suggest you're going lower. Not ideal in the area that you're at now. That's not good. Daily RSI is also kind of bearish. It would suggest you're going to go lower. I do like the lower low, but again, the lower low in the RSI, that might have been the reason why you bounced here, right? You had a higher low here. You had a lower low in the RSI. That might have been the bounce there, and now it's over and you go lower. Because really what you've done with this lower low is you've broken out of this uptrend that you had in the daily RSI, right? You broke out of it. So, and you back tested it for resistance. You back tested the 50 for resistance. I think you're going down, and you finished off this range with double bearish divergence too. So, yep. Breaking out of the upslope in your RSI, you're about to break out of the upward slope in your price action as well. I think it's very safe to assume that this thing's going to go down, if not at least to $4, probably prices that are below $3.50. Yeah. I got nothing else to say, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. Bye-bye.